So let's unbox DJI Mini 5 Pro Plus Fly More Combo Plus. This is the Fly More Combo Plus DJI RC2, and it comes with 52-minute DJI climb, but we will try by flying. I'll give the result in this channel also. You can keep watching. So let's unboxing first. QR code. Here's the bag. The bag is little bit larger than previous DJI Mini 5 Pro, and quality also, build quality also good. I like it. And open the bag zipper, and here's the product. This is the drone. This is the RC, and what is it? Let's check. So that is 4 different compartment. Previously it has 3, and that is why the drone bag size is little bit big. And first thing is, let's check the box. It's the new thing. The propeller, the USB cable, and there is also propeller, and this is the probably the filter box. Let's check more inside. User guide, and nothing inside the box. And open it. DJI. How I open it? Oh, cool. This is the ND filter, 3 different color: blue one, the golden color, and a little bit pink or little bit. We'll try it with our camera lens later. And this is the RC2. Same as like the previous RC DJI 5, same to same, DJI 4 and DJI 5 RC2. And here's the battery. Two battery. It's too heavy, but this time no 249 gram sticker. That's mean it's little bit tough if the airport officer, immigration officer ask you about your drone size or drone weight. And even you don't see any 249 gram into your box or drone. And this is the drone. It comes with a default battery, and if I try to open, no, I have to open both sides, this side and this side at a time. Okay, and here's the drone camera. Can see E24F, and the propeller design is a little bit changed. You can see it's a little bit changed, but size and other thing almost same. Let's try to open. And now you have to set up with your account. If you don't know how to set up it, you can check my next video. I will show you the guide how to set up for first fly. So that's it. This is the unboxing. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up, and if you have any query, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.